You're like the most popular guy I ever interviewed. It's my pleasure.
no， 中文。然后我突然去开车门的时候，师傅把门锁了，说 no， 不要进来，不要进来。他以为是一个中国人叫的车，你知道吧？但是他一看，怎么一个外国人要是拉上车呢？然后他一听，哇，就是一个就觉得我很中文，你知道吧？很中国，你知道吧？因为我说的可能方言和太流利了，所以就可能说就比较这么反差。Hello everyone, my name is Kennedy. I am from Nigeria, and I was born in China here in Shanxi Province. 你知道吧？就这么一个情况，对。Yeah, like I've stayed in China for 20 years now, and I'm like doing live show selling, like I do like selling in Douyin. Yeah, like we call it like 电商. Yeah, that sort of thing. Yeah.
I know you were in one of the Wu Jing's movie.
Yeah, Wolf Warriors too. Yeah, Wolf Warriors.
可以说两句山西话听一下吗？
大家好啊，然后是台语的啊，来到了。